Page 22, Gee Whiz. We got a lot going on these pages, 22 and 23, but let's just take them carefully and see if we can understand what's going on. We have a new key signature, a 1 sharp, because we've had 1 flat in the past, the B flat. Well, now we get 1 sharp, and the sharp is F sharp. It's always the first sharp in a key signature. It's like the B flat is always the first flat in a key signature. The sharp, it's an F sharp. I know it makes sense. And then we're going to use G position here. And there's different G position. Again, it's a 5-finger position with G, the bottom note. It's like here the G, or here the G. Except there's all kinds of G positions. I could put G all over the place. Which one it is depends on the music. So if you look at Gee Whiz, the left hand's clear down here. That bottom line is this G. You got middle C, an octave of middle C, and then here. So that's G position for the left hand. And then in the second line, when the right hand plays, it's this G here. Plus, we may have a new note. I don't know if you know the note or not, but it's the next to the top line in treble clef is a D. You need to memorize that and just know what that note is. It's a D. I don't know if you've had these notes in the left hand or not. I can't remember squat. But if you haven't, you need to memorize those notes quickly as you can. Know it. G in the music, the first measure there, first couple measures, it's a G, an A B, C, D. Just say the note and play it as you go. Forget the rhythm, just say the note and play it as a drill. Learn the names of the notes in the music. So we're actually in this position for this piece. Interesting, because in a lot of books, when you go to G position, you're actually, the left hand's up here. In this book, they want your hand here. Well, doesn't matter, you can wherever, so that's okay, we can do that. And in the middle of the page, they give you the diagram of where they are. I'm hoping you can figure that out, but I'm already showing you that anyway. As far as Gee Whiz goes, look it over. Treble and bass clef. 1 sharp in the key signature, so all the F's are going to be sharped. Now if you look through the piece, you'll find there are no F's in this piece. We're here. There's no F there. The F is here. It doesn't matter. It still has to be in the key signature. And I'll explain why a little later. Just take my word for it. Right now it's in the key signature. As far as playing the piece, we're only using the white keys though in this piece. We got quarter notes and half notes. We can do all that. It looks like the left hand's playing the first line and the right hand's playing the second, and there's a repeat sign, so you're going to play it twice. We got 2 sets of words, so if you want to sing it, you can do that. The key word there is you. Sing it. I ain't singing it. Then the time signature is 4/4 time. So there's 4 counts in a measure. We're counting to 4, and we're counting quarter notes. And again, you only count at the very beginning, so to make sure you got the right rhythm. Once you're pretty sure you have it, you don't count anymore. You've got it. You don't need to count. You've got it. So it's here. Play it, each one. Try not to hesitate if you can. Keep a steady beat all the way through. And the second line is the right hand. So throughout both. Then the dynamics is just loud. Just whatever you think loud is. Don't get carried away. It's just loud. I would suggest to help you too that each time you keep this slow, because it's monorato's middle, but keep it slow and drop your wrist on each note. Just drop it. This will help you prepare for stuff that we're going to do a little later on. If you can get the idea of doing this and do it with each hand. Just drop your wrist. Don't play with a stiff wrist. Please don't do that. Just drop nice, relaxed here. See, I let the weight push it down anyway, and that works out great. Now for articulation, they don't give you any articulation here, so I suggest you go ahead and connect it. If you'd like to lift up between the phrases, that's fine. You can follow the words. It looks like every 2 measures is a phrase. Lift up before you do. If you want to lift up every 2 measures, that's fine for the phrasing. That's all right. It doesn't say anything, so you have a choice. You can play it all connected. I could play it all staccato. Don't play the half note staccato. I can play it all connected. I can do what I want. It doesn't say anything. So use that to experiment and try things out. Since it's repeated, one time you play it one way, and when you repeat it, play it something. Because when we play something more than once in music, we really prefer not to play it exactly the same both times. We want to change something. And articulation is one of the things we can change. So try that. Maybe the first time you put in the phrasing, and then repeat it, play it all staccato. Like that, just to change it up. So let's play this together very slowly to make sure we got all the notes. And rhythm shouldn't be a problem, I don't think. But we're going to play it twice because it is repeated. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.